everyone, thank you for joining me. My name is Sheila with ATEQ TPMS Tools, and today I'm going to teach you how to clone a TPMS sensor using the MX46 tool. They make the Wheel Group actually donated this tool. They sell the MX46 tool and the Max Total sensor, and they are donating 2 toolkits with OBD modules for the SEMA show to give away as prizes. One of the prizes will go to the winner of the Lights Out game that we have at our SEMA booth. It's 40217, and the other prize will go to a school of the winner's choice. So thank you so much to the Wheel Group for donating a kit. So let's go ahead and get started on copying a sensor. So basically what I'm going to be doing is, it's called copying or cloning a sensor. I'm going to be taking the information protocols from this sensor, which is a series of numbers and letters, and I'm going to basically it's kind of like a copy paste. So I'm going to be cloning or copying and pasting it to this sensor here. So you can use this tool to do that. It's the MX46 tool. If you go to the wheelgroup.com, they do have more information on this tool. And this tool is powered by ATEQ TPMS tools, so we're very proud of that. We have the best coverage on the market. This tool can also read any, or activate, diagnose any sensor on the market, 100%. So let's go ahead, like I said, and get started here. So we're gonna start from the main menu, and if you navigate over to Program Sensor, you're just going to select the make, model, and year. And you have 2 options here, copy ID or create sensor. So real quick, I just want to tell you the differences between those 2 options. So if you're creating an ID, you're essentially creating a brand new ID here. It's a lot different than copying it from this sensor to this one, because every ID is unique. So if you want to create a new ID, the reason you'd want to do that is if you had a non-working sensor where it was either corroded and you couldn't read or diagnose anything on the sensor, or if you have a dead battery, then you would have to create a new ID. But in this case, this is still in working order, so we're just going to clone the sensor. So that's the option that we're going to do. So, so go to copy ID, because essentially what we're doing, it's like a copy paste. So now we're going to read that sensor information, and the proper way to do that is make sure that you are measuring on the tire wall here, right next to the sensor. If you measure here or over here, you're not going to most likely pick up the information, or you could accidentally pick up another sensor. So it's important to put it right next to where the sensor is located on the tire wall. So press the green button here, and it has copied the ID. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our sensor here. I'm going to go ahead and go OK to go to the next option, and we are going to write the IDs to the sensor. So press the green button, and it's checking the sensor information, verifying everything. Now it's loading. Make sure that you have the antenna and the valve here just like this when you are doing this. That way it picks up the right protocol and the right information. And this is a programmable sensor, so it doesn't have the protocols on there like a configurable sensor. It is different technology, so it may take a little longer to upload. Nothing wrong with it, just different technology that it's working with. And you are all set. So what we have done essentially is we have copied the information from this sensor that's located in the wheel, and we have pasted it or written the IDs to this programmable sensor. And that's it, simple and easy. So now you would just need to disassemble the wheel or put it onto a new wheel and assemble it there. And you have 2 options here with sensors. You have a snap-in sensor or a clamp-in sensor. And those are your 2 options here. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you to the Wheel Group for donating their TPMS tool, sensors, and OBD module for the SEMA show. Be sure to visit us at booth number 40217. We're also at ATEQ, so make sure you stop by at booth number 1068. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. I will be back later today with some new information about the VT56. Thanks.